how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to take the class 2 maths chapter 4 multiplication. In the previous video I have already explained about the few chapters. Actually this is your mental math. Okay, we just mental math. In the previous video I have already just solved a few exercises related to this chapter multiplication. Today I am going to solve the exercise 6. That the first question is the choose the correct option. This is the MCQ question. Here the question 1 is 3 into 9. You have to write the answer. What will be 3 into 9? Yes, you know 3 into 9 is 27. The A, option A is 12. No. Option B is 18. This will be also not, and the 27. This will be your answer. Here you can write, put tick mark on this. Then the number 2, 4 into 4. So what will be the answer? 4 into 4. Question in A option 16, then B is 20, then C is 64. Which will be your answer? Which is 16. Just tick mark on it. Like way in your book, you just see. I have just solved the 2 questions. The rest you have to do yourself. Okay. Then the question number 2. Fill in the boxes. A, 14 into dash equal to 0. Student, already I have explained that in the multiplication, if you multiply any number with 0, the answer will be 0. So here the answer is 0. So what will be? We have to write the number so that the answer will be 0. Yes, we have to put the 0. Then in question number 8, here also the answer is 0. So we have to multiply 8 with the which number? That is 0. Then we get the answer 0. Then in number C, 60 into 0. Yes, if you multiply any number with 0, the answer will be the 0. Then D, 8 into dash equal to 0. So if you multiply with 10 with the 0, we get the answer 0. Then the exercise 7. The rest question you have to do yourself. I have solved the 4 problems. The next exercise 7. Here the multiplication is multiplication you have to do. That is tens and ones. 4. If we have to multiply the one side first. That is right side. So if you multiply the ones place first, then if you multiply 4 into 2, the answer will be 8. Then we multiply with the tens, the 2 2s are 4. Then question number B, first the right side, that is the ones place, 9 into 1, this is 9, and then with the tens place, 9 1s are 9. Then again number C, we just multiply 14 into 2, first the ones right side, that is the ones place, is 4 into 2, this is 8, and 2 into 1, it will be 2. Then in D, again we have to multiply right side, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 2, 8, 88 is your answer. Then the E, we have to just follow the same rule, we have to multiply this side, 4 2 4s are 8, and 2 3s are 6. In F, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. G, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then H, 3 2s are 6. Then this is also 6, 2s are 6. So this way you have to do the rest questions. You solve yourself. This exercise 7. From I you have to solve the rest portions. Then the exercise 8. Fill in the boxes. A, 8 times 5 equal to dash times 4. This is times. Dash times 4. 8 times 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 type means in the repeated addition, as we know that we multiply the numbers by repeated addition. So if you write the 5 in 8 times, what will happen? Our answer will be 8 into 5 is 40. Okay. Then what we will put this side? Here dash times 4. So here this side we have to also make the 4. So how many times we will write the number, that is 4 number, which number we will write that we get the same number 4. So here we can write here 10. 10 times 4, if you write the 10 4 times, then get the answer 10 into 4 equal to 40. So we have to write here 10. Like this way you can do this one. Okay. Question number B. 3 times 6. Okay, I will grab this one. 3 times 6 equal to dash times me. Same time we will have to write the 3 times 6. 3. Okay. Then 6 into 3, 18. So here how many times we will write 9, then we get the answer. Here the 18. 9 plus 9 equal to 18, that is 9 into 2 equal to 18. So we will write here 2. Okay. Then C. 2 times 8 equal to 4 times 10. So 2 times 8, if we write 8 plus 8, 16, or 8 into 2 equal to 16. That means here we have how many number? 4 times. Which number we will write? So we get the answer 4. If we write 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, we get 16, and 4 into 4 is 16, and we have to put here 4. Then number D. 3 times dash 2 times 6. So what do you mean by 2 times 6? 6 plus 6 equal to 12. That is 6 into 2 equal to 12. So this side we have to also write how many times we will write the number, so we get the 12. If we write 4 into 3 equal to 12. So here we can write 4. So this way you can do the race problems. I have solved here the 4 problems. This from E to N you have to do yourself. Then the number 2, fill in the boxes. A. 36 into 11 equal to 11 into, then we write this number here. Then what will be in the left side, the same we have to write in the right side. 208 into 15 equal to 15 into 208. Then 60 into dash 30 into 60, and this 30 will be right here. Then D. 105 into 102 equal to dash into 105. So we have to write here 102. Then exercise 9. The rest question you can do yourself. This one, number 2. I have just solved here 4 questions. The rest you have to do yourself. Then the exercise 9. This is the 3-digit number. You have to multiply with the 1-digit number. See how you will do. Question number A. 100 times 1. That is 324 into 2. So first we have to multiply the ones place, that is right side first. Then 2 into 4 it will be 8. 2 into 2, 4, and 3 into 2 is 6. In question number B, same you have to do. 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 1 is 4, and 4 into 7 is answer will be like this. Then number C. First we have to multiply the ones place side or right side, that is 3 into 3 will be 9, and 3 into 2 is 6, and 3 into 2 will be also 6. Then 9. 3 into 2, 2 into 3 into 2 or 2 into 3, you can write here 6. 3 into 2 is 6 and 2 into 3 is also 6. Then the I. Here you have to carry the numbers. I have just shown you the video related to this, how you will carry the numbers. That is 189 multiplied with 2. The first we have to multiply the right side, that is ones place. That is, if you multiply 2 into 9, if we multiply 2 into 9, we get the answer 18. So this one will be come here. Here we write 1, 9 2 ja 18, that is 8, and 1 will be come to here, that is 10 square, that is here 8, and 2 into 8 will be 16, and 16 plus 1 is 17. Again we have 1 in our hand, so this 1 will be goes to here 100 place. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Like this way you have to do. Then the next, this one, if you multiply this one, 9 into 2 is 18. Again 1 will become here. And 9 into 3 is 27 plus 1 is 28, and these 2 will become here. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 2, what is 56. Then again this one, 4 5 ja 20, 2 will become this place, 4 3 ja 12 plus 2 is 14, and 14 1 will become here, 4 9 ja 36 plus 1 37. Okay. Then here 496 multiplied with 8. 8 into 6 is 48. Again the 48, the 4 will be come here. 8 9 is 72. 72 plus 4, it will be 76, and this 7 will become here. And 4 is the 32. 32 plus 7, it will be 39. So like this way you have to do. Hope all of you understand. I have already shown how you will carry the numbers and rules. I have already said to the video related to this. Hope all of you understand. So in the book, the rest you have to do yourself. I have solved these positions A, B, C, D and I, J, K, L. This line and these 3 lines you have to do yourself. So I just finished my class today. Hope all of you understand this one. Thank you.